Imagine this. You're staring down a 400-pound gorilla, heart-pounding, with nothing in your pocket but a banana and a paperclip. What do? Well, that's the kind of hook that could skyrocket your YouTube views, and I'm about to show you why. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the science of storytelling, proven techniques to explode your views and keep viewers glued to your videos. Over 500 hours of content hit YouTube every minute, and people watch 1 billion hours a day. So how do you stand out? Spoiler, it's not luck, it's storytelling. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll have a toolbox to make your next video irresistible. Let's start with a crazy stat. Most people ditch a YouTube video after just 30 seconds. 30 seconds! That's all you've got to grab them. So what's the secret? It's emotion. A University of Chicago study found that when you spark an emotional response, your viewers' brains light up, they're locked in. Think about it. A dry tutorial might get a yawn, but a story that makes you laugh, cry, or gasp. That's gold. Research on 306 popular science videos backs this up. Emotional arousal was the #1 driver of views. So how do we tap into that? Let's break it down. First up, your opening. Forget the, hey guys, welcome back, today I'm going to talk about my zoo trip last year. Nope, dive straight into the action. Picture this. Bro, I was face to face with a gorilla and all I had was a banana. Boom. 15 seconds in and they're hooked. That tension, that what happens next, keeps them from clicking away. You've got to hit them with a dramatic question or a wild moment right out of the gate. Suspense is your best friend here. Next, let's talk suspense. Open loops. Ever wonder why you can't stop watching a cliffhanger? It's because your brain hates unfinished business. Drop a question or hint early like, you won't believe what that gorilla did next, and don't resolve it right away. Keep them guessing. You can sprinkle these loops in a single video or even stretch them across a series to bring viewers back. It's like planting little brain bombs that only watching more can diffuse. Now, here's the big one. Emotion. That study I mentioned? It showed emotional stories crush it on views and shares. So zoom in on those moments that hit the heart. Maybe it's the relief of outsmarting the gorilla, or the panic when it roared. Use music, pacing, even your voice to amp it up. I'm not saying fake it, make it real. When your audience feels what you felt, they'll hit subscribe faster than you can say like and share. Okay, technique 4, dialogue. Don't just summarize, paint the scene. Instead of, my boss liked my work, try this. My boss stared at the screen, then at me and goes, this is the best thing I've seen from this team. Hear the difference? It's like you're there. Shift your tone a bit for each character. No acting degree needed, just enough to pull viewers in. It's cinematic without the budget. Here's where you come in, literally. Great stories make you the hero. I'm not just talking about me and that gorilla. I'm talking about you watching this right now. Imagine your next video solving your audience's problems, chasing their goals. Know who they are, what keeps them up at night, what they dream about. Make your characters relatable, like them, so they see themselves in the story. That's how you turn viewers into fans. Let's tie it all together with a framework pros use, the hero's journey. Start with the ordinary world, life as usual. Then, the call to adventure. Something shakes things up. Next, challenges, like dodging a gorilla-sized obstacle. And finally, resolution. New skills, big wins. It's the backbone of blockbuster movies, and it works on YouTube too. Take your audience on that ride, and they'll stick with you to the end. One last trick, zoom in. Don't just say, it was a wild day. Relive it. The gorilla's breath fogged the glass, my hands shook, and that banana felt like a bad joke. That detail triggers mirror neurons. Your viewers feel it too. Use it sparingly, though. Save it for the moments that matter most. So, there you have it. Storytelling isn't just fluff. It's your ticket to more views, longer watch time, and a growing channel. Hook 'em fast, stir their emotions, drop some suspense, and make them the hero. Next time you hit record, try one of these. Maybe a killer opening or an open loop, and watch what happens. What's your go-to storytelling trick? Drop it in the comments. I'm dying to hear. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's make your videos unstoppable.